Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to post trial reels on Instagram. Trial reels on Instagram allow you to test content on non-followers before posting to your profile, helping to guide engagement like likes, shares, views. So what we're going to do, we're going to just hit the plus button, the top left, and I'm going to select this video. So I'm going to go rapid fire and hit next because you're going to hear some audio, right? Hit next, double click next. And before posting, you're going to see somewhere here, trial option, right? And you could just toggle on, right? Trial reels are located in your reels tab under drafts in trial reels card, right? And this will allow you, of course, to test your content on non-followers, right? But don't be afraid when you don't see the reel after you post it, because the reel is now basically in the trial, right? So it won't exist on your profile. It will be shared to other people, right? Which means that you won't be able to see the reel posted as a normal reel, right? Afterwards, like after maybe a week or so, or maybe after a couple of days, you're gonna be able to recover or just take back your reel or make it resurface on your profile, right? With the likes, views, and comments if available. So don't be afraid if you don't see your reels posted and thinking like, but the problem is for me, like maybe my connection is bad or whatever, right? Now, the trial reel is basically on the trial mode, so it won't show on your profile. So consider liking this video, subscribe, and until next time, see you.